Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to size videos for YouTube on DaVinci Resolve 19. So it's very simple. What you're going to do is go to the master control folder right over here where you have all of your information. Right here, all you have to do is select Media Pool, and then all of your videos in the master folder will pop up. So you want to, find an empty space, right click, Timeline, create new timeline, and now use project, unselect use project settings, click on format, and make sure that it's on 1920 by 1080 HD. And then we're going to click create. And now, once you put your videos into the timeline, it's going to be in that setting for YouTube, right? Which is 1920 by 1080p, and then you'll be able to edit and export it for YouTube settings. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.